Hey folks, it's Wade the Shoe Dog, and so we are getting ready to make a quilted shoe. And of course, it's whenever you're mail ordering anything online, getting the size is important. So I want to show you how to check your size. So first, we have a size guide, and in the size guide you can download this, and you'll see that your size is here, right? Just print out the page that's your size. So I'm gonna pull out women's 9 because that's our dear Andrea, that's her size. And you could basically, you're going to stand on this. You're going to put your heel here, and your toes should come about to this line. Now, when your kit arrives, okay, so that's how you find your size. These kits fit pretty much true to size, but I'm going to show you a few things that when your kit arrives that you can double check. So your kit arrives, the first thing you're going to be tempted to do is just stand inside the outsole. And you don't really want to do that, because when you stand in the outsole, what you're going to see is you've got quite a lot of space out in front of your foot. And what you're not accounting for is the thickness of the upper, right? Because you've got, of course, the thickness on the left and right, but also you've got the thickness around the heel and the thickness of the toe around the front. So standing in the outsole is not exactly the best way to check. The best way to check is to take your pattern and stand on the pattern. And you'll see how this pattern fits right inside the outsole, but it doesn't come all the way end to end, right? Because remember, when you're inside of a shoe, you don't want your toes touching the end. You want your toe is held back, right? So if you look at this is your toe line, okay? Because over the course of the day, your feet are going to expand, and also as the shoe bends, what happens, right? The end gets closer to your toe, so you don't want your toes touching the end. So this is the template that comes with the shoe, that comes with the kit. And again, you see how it fits into the bottom of the outsole, right? Now, what you can do is you can take your regular pair of shoes that you have around the house and pull the footbed out. So I pulled the footbed out, and now, because this is a shoe that fits Andrea really well, it's regular size 9. And you'll take the template and you'll just put it on top of the footbed. And there you can see it goes right toe to heel. And you can also, if you have the printout page, you can take a footbed from any of your regular shoes. And it's important to line up the heel, right? And then press it down in the front and just see how close you are, right? So this is a size 9. And it goes right toe to heel. So I know this came out of her size 9 shoe. This is what's going to fit in our size 9 shoe. That's how you can check the size. Now, if you get this page and you get this template and you find that you are not even close to the toe line, then hey, we're going to have to get you a different size. But don't worry about it, because we handle exchanges. Basically, just let us know and we can get you the correct size. So, hey folks, that's how I check the size. And don't be afraid to reach out to me, Wade, or Andrea, and we will help you find the right size. And if you're looking for a link for this size finder, it's on the product page for the kits. Thanks a lot, folks. Of course, I forgot to say that the link to this size finder is in the description of this video. And also, don't forget to use the discount code project15 and you'll get 15% off your quilted sneaker kit. Thanks, folks.